In 1825, the Stockton and Darlington Railway started the world's first passenger service. Here in Darlington, the heritage is still alive.
This old station is now head of Steam Museum, home to locomotion number 1 that pulled the very first passenger train, and featured on a £5 note. It's packed with early railway history. This Victorian building was the Stockton-Darlington Railway Carriage Works. One half of it is now North Eastern Locomotive Preservation Group. They're volunteers that operate and maintain a fleet of 4 steam engines. One of them was recently in the Downton Abbey feature film. The other half of the building is where the A1 Trust built Tornado, the first steam engine since 1960. Now they're building Prince of Wales. It'll be the world's newest steam engine.
2025 will be the 200th anniversary of that first railway, and Darlington Council have approved £20 million to upgrade this site in time for the celebrations.